How to fix Instagram video can't be posted on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video can't be posted on Android phone. First thing, just go to settings and then you need to find storage, and here you will find cleanup. Click on it, and now just wait. You need to find here junk files or cache, and then just clean it. It's easy. You just click on it and then click delete, and as you see the cache have been cleaned. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and go to settings, and here you will find this one here, apps, and you need to find Instagram, and here you will find permissions. Now just you need to find here storage and camera. You need to allow storage. You will find it like that. Just click on it and click allow, and allow the camera, and then just try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.